So, this is van life. This is RV life. Walking to the store. Big old storm coming in. Getting ready to get a crap ton of rain. It's sprinkling. Luckily, I brought my rain gear. Still got a great view. And ironically enough, there's a 18-year-old kid that I work with. He just drove by, and I'm pretty sure I'm just this old, creepy, Bigfoot-looking guy walking in the rain, and he's like, "Hey, Eric, do you need a ride?" I'm like, "No, I'm loving this, man." I said, "I'm running to the store, and my campground's right there." So he was like, "Okay, be safe. I'll see you tonight." Still really cool. Look at that, gorgeous. Anyway, welcome to van life. Raining. Still awesome though. It's getting ready to pour, and I got 16 minutes left on my walk. Here it comes. Good Lord, heaven help me. Should have taken him up on it. 11 minutes into a 19-minute walk, and I am freaking drenched, but I'm still loving my RV life. Pretty awesome. I went to the store today, like I said, and I did check the forecast, and my RV is right up there. Anyway, pretty awesome. Still, I mean, what other kind of life can you have and get up and force yourself to get wet? That's what she said. Anyway, still going to be a great day. Time to get back at it. Super soaked, man. Yikes. I may plan a little better next time, because raincoat didn't really do too much. A little bit. I'm not soaked through, but I am soaked. Goodness gracious. I wish you could hear my shoes there swish, swash, swish, swash. Anyway, I'm gonna get changed and get ready for work. So, wanted to give you guys a couple of hints. So, as I said, I went out and got some few groceries this morning, and I did some things right, and I did some things wrong. First thing I did right was I checked the forecast. I knew there was going to be some rain, so I brought along my my rain gear, which is good. It's not the best rain gear in the world. It's $25. It was at Myers, I think, and worked okay. Glad I had it. Glad I had the foresight to get it. But what I didn't do, as I always carry, and I encourage you to carry, plastic bags with you, a garbage bag and some gallon and pint size Ziploc bags. Because normally what I do is I have those in my bag or my backpack when I put it on my back, and then I can wrap my phone in it or put my phone in there to keep it dry, like when I go fishing. If I have a half of a worm, I know that's gross to some of you girls and guys that don't like worms and stuff, but if I cut a worm in half and I want to save it for later, I mean, worms up here are like $5 a freaking dozen, or if I want to take a fish and cut it up for bait if I'm fishing, or anytime you want something that's waterproof, that's really good advice. So I take my backpack to work with me every day, and normally you can't see it, but I've taken everything out of my backpack so I could get groceries. This is my shower backpack. I have two. A work backpack and a shower backpack. Anyway, I took everything out thinking I was emptying everything for to get groceries, and what I did was I took out my zip top bags, and my phone is fine, but another couple of minutes and it would have been damaging a $1,200 phone. So Anyway, still loving van life. I'm telling you guys, I get asked this a lot. Why am I living this life? This is part of it, man. How many days do you get up and you have to walk a mile to get something that you want? I mean, I have to. I could have took the Betty Lou, and I did have a check engine light come on this week, so I'm trying to, until I get done with work, I'm going to take that into AutoZone and have them run the codes. But how many times in your life, you live in your house, you live in your home, you go to the refrigerator, you cook dinner, you go to work, come home, you do the same thing over. Well, today, in my journey, in my RV life, in my van life, which I could not be more excited about, was that I got freaking rained on for about almost 45 minutes, that way and that way back. So, what is the old saying? You shouldn't be upset by the rain, you should learn how to dance in it. Whatever, I'm terrible at that stuff, but that's what I did today. I danced in the rain, so it's pretty cool. And the stairs and the drivers by are like, because I get a backpack. It's full of stuff. I look pretty much homeless anyway before I get my hair combed and stuff. But anyway, yeah. Some of you are going to work today in a job that you hate and going to come home, and I'm not. I went to the store today, got rained on, and it was exciting. And such a stupid little thing, but that's what makes my life the life that I love.